Do you have to rummage through the cabinets to find the ingredients you need for cooking, only to realize that there are other ingredients you have to throw away because they are expired? Then that can be an issue, because food wastage is a growing problem. I'm going to address the causes and symptoms of food wastage through a problem tree. More rubbish and the increased cost of rubbish collection are but a few symptoms of food wastage. Another such symptom will be the cost wastage on the consumer. The causes of food wastage arrive from consumers who buy on impulse due to promotions, and it's made worse with consumers like us, who forget that we have the products at home. However, there are also consumers who live far away from the supermarkets and have to buy excess for storage. This problem affects anyone who consumes food, from students to adults buying food off shops. We in New Zealand are one of the highest amount of food wastage contributors, as we throw away almost 39% of all food we purchase. This problem is costing consumers an estimate of $872 million a year. Breaking those figures down, that's an estimate of $563 a year for each household. In addition, food wastage has increased over the years. A figure from 2013 showed that costs were $751 million a year, which translates to $458 per household. The UN Sustainable Goal that we are trying to align ourselves with is to end hunger, achieve food security and improve nutrition, and promote sustainable agriculture. As we are in a rapidly growing and globalizing world, we need to decrease food losses and waste to ensure that there will be enough for all. Our solution to help curb food wastage is to create a mobile application that will help users to store the data of their purchase. After purchases, the users can indicate the quantity and expiry date of products into the app, which will remind them of any expiring products and prompt them in advance when they are about to expire. Our solution will help consumers to monitor all their purchases, and this will allow consumers to see how much balance of food they have for a specific product. An example, how much frozen vegetable packets have they left, and when were they bought, at what price. This will help consumers do a price check and an inventory check for themselves. There is currently a smart fridge that was created to display weights and quantities of food. However, this system is costly at $20,000 a fridge, and it can be connected only to the consumer's specific phone brand. In addition, dried and canned products are not suitable for storage in the fridge. Hence, this solution does not cover an entire scope of food accounting in general. Our solution reduces costs by giving consumers an overview of their products and spending. Past records allow them to trace their consumption habits and identify products they hardly use. Performance by historical benchmarking. As consumers are able to review past purchases, costs and quantity, they are able to derive expenses before using the app and how much they save after. They will also be able to reduce food wastage by reviewing previous expenditure and wastage.
Created using Powtoon.